Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine at home. Okay. Now I am taking your SS subject. Okay, it's for the fifth English medium section. Okay. There is a chapter. Okay, there is a chapter number 18. There is 18 number the agencies of the UN. Okay. We already learned in the previous chapter. Okay, there is a 17 number. Okay, so there is a United Nations. Okay, UN is the United Nations. Okay, which is one of the agencies. Okay, it's the agencies of the UN. Okay, the topic of our chapter is the agencies of the UN. Okay, United Nations. Okay, the full form of UN is the United Nations. Means this is the word which tell about the United Nation. Means it's a one of the agency which have helped to in many progress to our nations. Okay, many progress to our nations, and because of them we feel our rights. Okay, we feel our rights, means we follow our rights. Okay, we respect our rights. Okay, we respect to human rights. So because of these agencies, the United Nations, okay, UN, this is the United Nations carries out all the aims and the objectives through the five major organs. Okay, there is this five major organs. Okay, which it has also the some specific aim. Okay, so specific aim and the special agency to deal with the specific aim and the issues also, and the members of the states others than the organs. Okay, these agencies function with the aim of to developing the aims. Okay, developing and maintain the peace among the all over the world. Okay, these agencies and the major states and among the major states and to to promote, okay, to promote the respect for human rights. Okay, so this agency, it's the United Nation. Okay, the work of them to developing some specific issues, just like the child developing, woman developing, for the health care. Okay, so it is a way. Okay, it is one of the way to how to develop. Okay, how to develop our nation. Means they mostly help to the poor nations. Means poor nations means they have no facilities, like the other. So they help them. Okay, if they have any problems there, cause okay, if there is any natural problem. Okay, if there is any man-made problem, so they help them. Okay, they give the fund also. Okay, they help, and the idea of them develop they remove the problem and how to develop the nations. Okay, because of them. So there is the agencies of the UN. It's the special agencies of the UN. Now we see here. Okay, this is the special agency of the UN. There is a six agencies. Okay, the first is the UNICEF. 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 Okay, UNICEF. It's a short form of these agencies. Okay, it's the United Nation International Child's Emergency. The United Nations International Child Emergency Fund. Okay, means now the name tell about this. Okay, it's a development about the child. It's a development about the child. Okay, so it's a UNICEF was established in I think 1946. Okay, for the child victim of for the Second World War. And now it's a protect for the child, for underdevelopment countries. Okay, through the various program, they give a various program, they give a various programs like the child education. Okay, the healthcare of them. Okay, the healthcare of them and their family also, and the child welfare. Okay, so because this agency UNICEF, okay, UNICEF needs the help to the child development. Okay, how to develop them? They give the education, they give a good food, they give a healthy life. Okay, so they develop on the child development. Okay, then we are on the next topic is UNESCO. Okay, UNESCO. The short form is the UNESCO. 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 It's the same name like that. Okay, the United Nations of Educational, Scientific, and the Cultural Organization. Okay, the United Nation. Okay, the United Nation for the Education, Scientific, Cultural Organization means this agency established specialist this of the United Nations. Okay, it was established in 1940. It's 1946. Okay, 1945. So it's works toward to the improving the level of the education. Okay, the main aim of the how to improve the level of education. Okay, which is very necessary to nowadays. Okay, we give the education to the human being, means under development nations. Then they already, because of them they already develop. Okay, so without education nation do not improve. Okay, so they give the education. Then the scientific. Okay, then the scientific also necessary. The scientific reasons. Okay, scientific reason, they know about how to develop the scientific and the cultural training. They gave the cultural and the scientific training to the they added the education. Okay, they add the education. There is a scientific and the cultural and the physical also training. They give us a training. Okay, there is a one type of one type of the level. Okay, one type of the level, one type of the training also. So it provide a special scientific and cultural training to backward children. Okay, the backward children, they come from the backward area, backward nations also. The organization is based in Paris. Okay, this organized based in Paris. So the UNESCO, which is the United Nations of Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Okay, so then we are on the WHO. This WHO, which agency all of the UN, United Nations. Okay, this have the World Health Organization. Okay, the name also we listening the name of WHO. Okay, the World Health Organization. The World Health Organization was established in the 7th April 1948. Okay, and this agency help to the health. Okay, help to the health headquarters. It's the headquarters of the Geneva, which is lies in Switzerland. Okay, so it tries to the prevent epidemic and inform about to the and the advice also. They give advice also to related to the health. Okay, most of the now malaria. Okay, malaria, it's some disease just like malaria. Okay, the ori, okay, the citada, or just like they provide some material to how to cure. Okay, they provide some medicines also. They provide some fund also. They provide some kits also. Okay, because of them how to cure from this disease. Okay, and they remove this disease from whole world. Okay, so it's the agency WHO also work in the peoples who lives in our world. Okay, which is the suffer from many disease. Okay, so they help them. Okay, so the WHO, the World Health Organization. Okay, then the next we are on the FAO. FAO. Then we are on the FAO. Okay, FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. Food and Agriculture Organization. It is the one of the agencies. Okay, it's one of the most important agencies of the UN. Okay, its function are to improve nutrition and the agriculture's productivity. Okay, how to develop the productivity from the agriculture, and how to improve the nutrition from to child and the pregnant. Okay, it means it is the develop of the how to give nutrition to a child. Okay, the labor means the rural population. If they live in a rural population, they how to cure from the disease. Okay, so it's a help to. Now it is a help to how to cure from this disease, and they give them nutrition, the small childs and the small babies also, and the pregnant ladies also. Okay, so it's contributed to the growth of the world economy. Okay, because of the agriculture. Okay, because of they give food. Okay, so FAO, it is the largest of all UN agency, and its headquarter are in the Rome, Italy. Okay, which is lies in Rome in Italy. Then we are on the second topic, is the World Bank. World Bank, the name dedicated to us. The World Bank leads the fund to help to countries. Okay, which is underdeveloped, and they give development programs like the communications and the transport and the dams, how to for the dams. Okay, so this World Bank help to the nation to the communications, transport, because of this is a develop, means the communication develop, the transport develop. If there is a facility, means the water facility. Okay, make a dams there. They give a fund. Okay, to this nation, this nation. And the headquarters of this World Bank is the Washington DC. Okay, then the last is the ILO, the International Labour Organization. So last is it is a work. UN nation is a work for the labor organization. Okay, it's a international labor organization. Its a headquarter is in Geneva, which is lies in Switzerland, and it was founded in 1990. Okay, and this organization this agency work for the laborers, and they provide care of the labor. Okay, the laborers people, they give them good food, they give them good health, they give them good facilities. Okay, so because of this, the ILO, okay, ILO, the International Labor Organization, which is the work for the laborers people. Okay, then now the over this all topics. Okay, UNICEF, UNESCO, WHO, FAO, World Bank, and ILO. So this agency, okay, the United Nation agency, the achievements of this UN, okay, from this start from the starting, the United Nation has been playing a very vital role, okay, vital role to how to develop and how to maintaining the world peace. Okay, and because of it has been able to solve the problems of the nation peacefully. Okay, they solve the problem, but they solve the peacefully, and they preventing outbreak and more major wars. Okay, they don't like to war. Okay, they don't like when they prevent to the outbreak and the more major wars. Okay, then the UN strongly oppose the this war. Okay, strongly oppose that, and it has managed many problems, just like if many years ago there is a smallpox problem and the polio problems. Okay, because of the UN help to the people, and they solve this problem from the root. Okay, so because of the smallpox, the polio, the sitada, the malaria. Okay, it is a this disease already cured by this agency. Okay, and they give help, and they give a facility. Okay, and the UN also prevented many nations from the use of the nuclear weapon. They prevent. Okay, they refuse the nations. Okay, do not use this nuclear weapons. Okay, because of them there is only destroy everywhere and everywhere. So because of them, the nations development and how to maintain the world peace. Okay, how to maintain the world peace, and this it has also been successfully in eradicated poverty. Okay, disease, illiteracy, and the health care. Okay, they give it is a work from this disease, from the disease. Okay, the illiteracy means they give education to people, to give education to old people also. So it's they give a facility just like under developed countries. Okay, so UN, it's a very helpful to all over the world, and it is also helpful to India also. Okay, so in India and the UN, okay, there is many members of different countries of they go to this UN, and they make and they develop, and they are the member. They elected the member of this UN. Okay, they work from them. Okay, now there is a many years ago the Mrs. Vidya Lakshmi Pandit, okay, which is the sister of the Jawaharlal Nehru's, and it is the first woman from our country, okay, India's country, and which is the elected as a president of the General Assembly of the UN. Okay, so because of they work from them, okay, so because of them it's a UN, it's a very it's a UN's very vital role to development of the whole world and development to our country, India's also, okay. They prevent many diseases just like smallpox, sitara, and malaria, okay, and they give a very good food to a child, okay. They work from the labor also, they give the food for the child, they give a milk also, okay, and they give us WHO also help to the some health centers, okay, to give them medicines and facilities and cure from the underdevelopment countries, okay. So because of this United Nations, okay, it is very helpful to whole world, okay. Then now the chapter is